In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Innovations in Teamwork for Healthcare course on Harvard step by step. If you're interested in understanding how top Harvard Business School faculty approach teamwork, leadership, and strategy in the U.S. healthcare system, this course is a great place to start. I'll walk you through how to find the official course page, what the course is about, and how to enroll so you can get immediate access. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy, step-by-step software and online course guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, click on the address bar at the top and type in your search query. You want to search for Innovations in Teamwork for Healthcare course on Harvard. Make sure you include the full course name so you get the correct result. Then press Enter on your keyboard. After the search results load, look for the official Harvard or Harvard Business School listing for the Innovations in Teamwork for Healthcare course. This is important because you want to make sure you're accessing the course directly from Harvard's website or their official course platform. Avoid clicking on random third-party sites or unofficial links. Once you find the correct result, go ahead and click on it. Now you should be on the official course page for Innovations in Teamwork for Healthcare. Take a moment to review the course overview. This course is taught by Harvard Business School faculty and focuses on helping learners align business strategy with the unique challenges and structures of the healthcare industry in the United States. You'll learn how effective teamwork impacts performance, patient outcomes, and organizational success in healthcare settings. Scrolling through the page will usually show you details about what you'll learn, who the course is for, and how the course is structured. As you continue scrolling, you'll also see information about the course format, duration, and what kind of commitment is expected. This is a good time to check whether the course fits your schedule and learning goals. When you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the page. It's usually clearly labeled and easy to find. Once you locate the Enroll button, click on it. At this point, you may be asked to sign in or create an account using your email address. Follow the on-screen instructions to either log in or register for a new account. After signing in, you'll be taken to the payment section for the course. Here, you'll see the course fee along with the available payment options. Review the pricing details carefully, then enter your payment information as required. This may include your card details and billing information. Once everything looks correct, confirm your payment to complete the enrollment process. After your payment is successfully processed, you'll gain access to the Innovations in Teamwork for Healthcare course. You can usually start learning right away by accessing the course dashboard, where all the lessons, materials, and resources are available. From here, you can begin exploring how Harvard Business School faculty teach teamwork, leadership, and strategy within the U.S. healthcare system. And that's it. You've now successfully accessed and enrolled in the Innovations in Teamwork for Healthcare course on Harvard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and clear tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.